Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you are going to learn how you can change the code on your Schlage FE575 keypad lock in 2026. Now, before getting started, you need to make sure that the door is open and also unlocked. After that, you need to important to know that on this particular model, you will get two different types of codes. Like first, there will be a 6-digit code, and the second one, there will be a 4-digit code that is used to unlock the door. So in order to change the user code, you just need to simply enter the 6-digit programming code that you know first. After doing so, you just have to simply press the challenge button. Then you need to use this particular keypad and you need to simply use and press 1. Afterwards, you need to simply enter the 4-digit user code, then re-enter the same code and then simply press the challenge button in order to basically add the code. Now, when it is successful, you will see the green light and you will also hear a confirmation beep. Then you can test the new code in order to make sure that it unlocks the door correctly. Now, after doing this, you can also change the programming code. So if you want to replace the lock's master programming code, you can enter the programming code again, and then you just have to simply press the challenge button. Now this time you need to press 3 and then you need to enter the 6-digit programming code. After that, you need to enter the new code again in order to confirm, and once it is completed, the lock will provide you the green confirmation signal indicating that the new programming code has been saved. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.